you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, I just got back. My hair's all over my head. I didn't even iron my shirt. But I had to do this in a hurry because a friend of mine called me up and told me what they were doing at the church on the south side. They were giving away a food pantry giveaway for Thanksgivings. And boy, did I get the mega load. Let me show you. I haven't even unpacked it yet. We have a bag of onions. Look at this. Look at this. A bag of onions. I'm gonna set these here. Oh, a bag of chicken. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna unpack this stuff. I want you all to see, okay? All right, that's much better. Now, we're gonna start with our produce and our grains. We got a pineapple. And it's ripe. I'm gonna use this for juicing. That's gonna be good. I got 2 mangoes. Oh, get back there. 2 big mangoes, and they're ripe. Once again, I'm gonna make a fruit punch, or I could just chop these up and freeze them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red pears. Excuse me, plums. Are these plums? What are these? I don't know what these are. I think they're plums. Lord, it's a senior moment every day. Pumpkin spice latte. I'm sure that'll be nice. I got a bag of golden potatoes. You have not lived until you take some olive oil over top of these once they're chopped up with a little bit of sea salt, a little bit now, and some black cracked pepper and maybe some Italian seasoning. Roast them in the oven. Yes, yes. 2 giant yams. I'm making sweet potatoes candied. You know it. They're right here. Then I've got, bagels. Thomas bagels. A bag of yellow onions. These will be great in my stuffing, my soups, because we got casseroles coming up too. Some wonderful bread. What do we have here? Oh, 22 whole grain with the seeds. The brown grain, organic. That was good. And I have a box of penne pasta, which I'm going to be giving to a special friend of mine. She does Italian dishes and she loves pasta, so she's getting this. Oh, behind me, I have a bag of tomatillos. These are great for making green salsa. I'm gonna give these to my neighbor because she makes salsa and she will make this and it'll be so good. Now, let's move on to the other 2 boxes. Yes, there's 2 more boxes. One, you're not gonna believe it, a meat box. And then the last one is a big surprise. Okay, let's go over here and take a look. Shy, get out of my boxes. But just as a recap to show you what we got, the beautiful box of pasta, our onions, the bread with all the grains, organic, brownberry, some bagels, 2 huge yams, a bag of golden potatoes, our red plums, the pumpkin spice latte, 2 wonderful ripe mangoes, and a pineapple. We'll use those for juicing. And these will go into the rest of our Thanksgiving dinner, plus a few extra surprises I've got for fall. Now let's move on over here. All right, nieces and nephews, let's jump into this. We got a whole bag of chicken drumsticks. As you know, I love these for broths and soups and all kinds of things. Then, of course, they gave us some ground turkey I got 3 of them. I got 2 on the other side. 85% lean, 15% fat. And then look at this. Something for breakfast. We got some breakfast sausages. 2 packs of those. Now, you know what? I should show you guys how to make my breakfast quiche or my breakfast casserole, but I love a breakfast quiche. Love it. And I use the sausage to make that. Now, we have 2 packs of pulled pork. I can make pulled pork sandwiches. I can make pulled pork pizza, which is delicious. I'm telling you now, with a barbecue sauce base on there, it is phenomenal. Now look at this. I almost jumped out my skin. A pork loin. Boneless pork loin roast. So in case you don't want to do turkey, you can do a pork loin roast. I might save this for Christmas. A nice pork loin roast. And then we got pork loin chops. You know? See them? These are so good. Then we have 2 bags of chili. The possibilities for this are endless. Can we say chili party? Can we say chili dog party for the kids? Can we say winter nights with a nice cup of chili? Can we say chili con carne or Texas pie? Oh, yes. Then we got 2 dips. A taco dip and another one. 2 different styles. That'll be nice for movie night. Let that thaw out and mix it up. You can always put this in a burrito too. Yes, bean burritos. Quick bean burritos, guys. Then we got 2 more turkey, ground turkeys right over here. 85% lean, 15% fat. This is like amazing. This is an amazing stroke of luck and generosity. But now, let's go to the big box here. They gave me the star of the Thanksgiving dinner. Mr. Tom Turkey himself. Come on out of there. Oh, we're going to need 2 hands to pull him out. A premium frozen turkey. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is a big bird. This is going to feed a whole lot of people. Look at that. Look at that. Well, I have a lot of people coming. So, that's going to be good. Nieces and nephews, this has been a true blessing. Remember, go to the food pantries. Call and find out if they're having a special. Ask the churches. Go online. You will be surprised what you can find. If you are stressed with the holidays coming up because you know you don't have enough money to get things, you know what's going on with me, okay, and the house and everything. And thank you for the GoFundMe because we still need your help, okay? I'll put the link down below. But I got my work cut out for me because I got to get some of this food to some people that need it desperately. So I got to get going. I got to get this here delivered too. Now, what I want you to do is write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Okay? Also, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know where you're at. Let me know if you need some food. Let me know if you need some recipes. I will be more than happy to. And yes, I'm going to take that challenge to make that recipe, dear, that you sent me. I am going to do it. All right. Now, I've also got a grocery haul coming for you because since I got this is going to dictate what I'm going to get from the grocery store. All right. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe like I said. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Every